Hi guys, today we compare Xiaomi 14 Pro versus Realme GT6. The Xiaomi 14 Pro launched November 2023 and the Realme GT6 launched June 2024. The body dimensions, the height and the width is same and the thickness is same. The weight of Xiaomi 14 Pro is 223 gram and the Realme GT6 is 199 gram. The build Xiaomi 14 Pro front and back glass and titanium frame. The Realme GT6 front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it comes with AMOLED LTPO 68 billion color and the Realme GT6 LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size Xiaomi 14 Pro 6.73 inches and the Realme GT6 6.78 inches and the resolution Xiaomi 14 Pro is 2K screen resolution and the Realme GT6 is 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI dynasty Xiaomi 14 Pro 522 and the Realme GT6 450. The screen to body ratio, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 89.6% screen to body ratio and the Realme GT6 comes with 91.8% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio is same 20:9 and the refresh rate Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Realme GT6 comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 6000 nits peak of brightness. The Xiaomi comes with Xiaomi Longjing Glass screen protection and the Realme GT6 comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. And the both device come with dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby, no headphone jack in both devices. The platform, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4 with 1 by 3.3 and the Realme GT6 comes with octa-core Cortex X4 with 1 by 3.0. And the chipset, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm and the Realme GT6 comes with Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 4nm. And the GPU is Adreno 750 in Xiaomi 14 Pro and the Realme GT6 Adreno 735. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Android 14 HyperOS and the Realme GT6 comes with Android 14 Realme UI 5. The benchmark score, Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 1.9 million score and the Realme GT6 comes with 1.5 million score. The camera setup, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide 1-inch sensor. The second is 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom and the third 50 megapixel ultra wide with Leica lens, dual LED, dual tone flash, HDR panorama and it records 8K 30fps video. The Realme GT6 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide with dual LED flash HDR panorama and it records 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera is same in both devices 32 megapixel and it records 4K 60fps and Realme GT6 records 4K 30fps. The memory, Realme GT6 comes with 8 gigs, 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage, Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage and the Realme GT6 comes with 256 gigs and 512 gigs of RAM internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The commons and the feature of Xiaomi 14 Pro, it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, Type-C 3.1, 5G network, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, USB 4.0, wireless charging and IP68 water and dust resistant. The Realme GT6 comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC 2.0, USB Type-C, 5G network, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, UFS 4.0 and IP65 water and dust resistant. And the battery backup, Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 4880 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging and it supports 50 watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The Realme GT6 comes with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it supports reverse wired charging. The price of Xiaomi 14 Pro is $850 and the Realme GT6 has $700. The points, Xiaomi 14 Pro got 25 points and the Realme GT 6 got 19 points.